Welcome back, everybody. If you watched my last video, which was my giveaway video, I started doing an unboxing of a care package I received from Keith Runick, who was the winner of my last giveaway. And I was just so overwhelmed with all of the items that he sent me. You can kind of see I've got lots of packing material just all over the floor here. So I figured we would just make this a separate video. So I'm kind of doing this in a little reverse order, doing the intro afterwards, but I just wanted to give you the background. So I'm going to kind of, I don't exactly remember where the video is going to jump in because, again, it was already filmed. It was kind of in the middle of my last video. So we're just going to jump right into the unboxing. But again, this is from Keith, and I really appreciate it. Okay, I've managed to cut open the box. I'm just going to sit it back down on the floor, though, because it does say, this end up. I don't want to tilt it. Well, I'm sure the post office probably already did. But let's go ahead. Inside is a card. Let's see. Michael and Tom, open last, please. Okay, well, I'll open that last. All right, inside appears to be a skeleton cloth. Some fabric here with Ouija board stuff. I don't know, because, Ouija boards scare me, so that's a good Halloween gift there. Right, this box is just full of stuff. Okay, I should have done just a separate video on this unboxing. What else have we got in here? This skull, I'm going to call it a wreath because it looks like a wreath to me. Definitely hand painted. That's very cool. Oh, I guess it goes this way, huh? With the big skull on the bottom. Very cool. Michael Myers bubbly head thing. It's a solar thing. Moves whenever there is light. I cannot wait to see this movie. I'm counting down the days. I haven't actually seen all the Halloween movies, but I've seen the trailer for the new one. I'm very excited that Jamie Lee Curtis is back. Because didn't they kill her off in one of the previous ones? But I love Jamie Lee Curtis. Okay. There's so much stuff in this box. Now I feel bad because this is way more stuff than I sent him in my little box. Another fabric bag here. Oh, this is Disney. I'll show you that in a second, but let's see what's inside it first. All right. This is... All right. Let's cut this open. All right. It's got a screw thing. I'm not entirely sure what this is. Is that something to hold a candle? I don't know. I like it. I wonder if it's part of something else in here. We'll see in a moment, but that's very cool looking. Here is so it's, I love Disney, but I don't really know the characters, which is kind of sad because, I've had Disney characters all around my room and you've probably all seen them, and I worked there. I know that's Maleficent, Ursula, Cruella, and I really don't know her name. Is it just the evil queen? I have her poster behind me. It's now in the other room for my Halloween decor. All right. Gummy eyeballs in a little tray. Creating your ice cubes. Remove the plastic cover, leave gummies in the cavity, fill each cavity with water or your favorite colored beverages. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. Thank you. All right. Moving on. Ooh. Oh my God, this box is so full of stuff. All right. Another piece of fabric here. This one is spider webs, which would look nice with my purple tablecloth here. All right. There's that. This guy. Is awesome. He lights up, I guess. Very cool. Oh, does he hangs upside down. Now, I think I saw this in, oh, does he, looks like he has a speaker too. Does that turn on? Isn't just an on-off? Anyway, I think I saw this in his video, so that's a cool prop. Or not in his video, in his picture. So there's that. Oh my gosh, the hide and eek skeleton dress-up kit. You know, I do some skeleton theming around my yard, and I actually pointed this out in my Target walkthrough video. It was something that I said I definitely wanted, so I see Keith likes to watch the videos. All right. Ghoulish Garland. Now this is just like little creepy hands. I've never seen this before. I'm kind of curious as to where this came from, because that's awesome. It's got a little Seasons logo, so might have to look that up. Need to see what else they sell. Okay, what is this? More fabric. I love this fabric. Where did you get all this? Now I kind of wish I could sew or something. But this is like a Grim Reaper-ish ghoul holding a candelabra. Right, throw this over here. Here is a little bird. It appears the bird has broken off of this piece, so I hate it when that happens. That's happened to me when I've shipped out stuff to other people too in the past, and it arrived broken. Oh, in fact, I think one of my very first giveaways was one of those sort of eyeball candy. It's supposed to look like a gumball dispenser, but it was like eyeballs. And of course it arrived shattered. But at least this guy looks like he's just in 2 easy pieces, so he can just glue right back on. But he's a little skull with a bird who is awesome. Okay, what else? Oh my goodness. So much stuff. All right. Well-wrapped piece. Severed zombie fingers in this awesome little jar. I love the little bubbles. That is totally going to go in my Frankenstein-themed dining room. Lights up. Oh, I love that. That is so cool. Okay, put that over there. Right. Put it down a little bit. All right. It's like this box never ends. All right. This looks like it's the base to this. Let's see. Half this video is just going to be me trying to get bubble wrap off. All right. So this is definitely the base. I guess Keith knows that I love these fun little candelabras and candlesticks and things. So this one is, I love these oversized props too. And I love things that can do double duty. You know, you have it, you can put it around the house during the year, and then Halloween, it is a special prop. So hopefully this will stay in the picture here. All right, moving on. I am amazed that this arrived intact. It is a little snow globe with a skull inside. It's got little bats, the little things that you shake up, they're all little bats. That is so cool. Okay. And let's open this one. You know, just the time it must take to put this in. You know, when I sent him his winner's package last month, I literally just sort of stuffed things in there. I kind of like wrapped it a little bit, but you know, I get so impatient with this sort of thing. I'm very impressed with all this wrapping. This is awesome because, you know, I have been on the hunt for a crystal ball, and this one is, you know, because I was trying to find one that kind of had a little bit of elegance to it, and it wasn't just sort of cheesy Halloween, which is exactly, you know, this is perfect. It's elegant, beautiful. I love that the colors change. Thank you. All right. And I think this is the last thing. All right. Fragile. Fragile. Somebody likes the Christmas Story. Okay. Look at that. It is a little skull of, I don't know what kind of creature it is, but it's creepy and awesome and perfect for my study. Look at that. All right. Well, thank you, Keith. This has been amazing. Just finishing hot gluing on the raven to the skull. So he's all better. He works now. He's fixed. He's actually a Frankenstein raven because the leg broke into 3 pieces actually, and I realized I have put his leg on backwards, but it all works. So now he's just a little wonky bird, but he's cute. Okay, so last thing is we have this card that was open last, please. So it is time to open it up. It says on the back, "Boo back at ya." So let's go ahead and open it up and see. It is a cute little witch chasing a cauldron that has cute little witch legs. All right, he has written a novel. So let's go ahead and read this. Dear Mike and Tom, I just wanted to thank you for your generosity and gift. My family loves your channel on YouTube. We wanted to return your generosity with a gift of our own. We have some items bought and some made by us. Sorry, by us. The candlestick was made by me in the shop and painted by me. Okay. That would be this. I had assumed it was bought. I kind of thought that looked like a stairway spindle. I'm kind of curious now. I got to figure it out. But that's awesome. I love it. Put it back here, back on my little table there. Okay, so the candlestick was made by me in my shop and painted by me. The skull wreath is from my daughter, Willow. Very cool, Willow. Thank you. I love it. The rest will hopefully keep your witch company. That is true. Everything is kind of witchy, huh? All right. The rest will hopefully keep your witch company. Every witch needs a bat and a cat, right? Is this a cat skull? I guess that makes sense. Oh, whoops. All right. Where were we? Oh, the cat skull. He wrote it in the next. It was on the next line. I didn't see it. But yeah, that's the cat skull. All right. Thank you for all your videos. From our family to yours, happy haunting, Keith, Runick, and family. Happy Halloween. So thank you, Keith. That was very generous of you. I feel bad. It was far better than my winter gift that I sent you last month. So I'm overwhelmed with all this stuff. So I don't know what to say, but thank you. And I guess until next time, everyone, take care and happy haunting.